Beginning with Sheets file. This is a Google Sheet. You may hear people refer to it as a spreadsheet. First thing you do is name it. If not already named in Classroom. First, we're going to go over the toolbar a little bit and basic structure. Notice your toolbar is similar to the Google Suite, just has more options. Sheets are used to store information, analyze information because you can make charts from them, and also it allows you to work with some math if you want to. And those are called formulas, which we'll work with in a different video. Each of these rectangles is called a cell, C-E-L-L. You have columns across the top that start with a letter, that have a letter on the top, starts with the letter A. You have rows down the left that have numbers to designate them. Each rectangle has a cell address. Right here, this would be considered B1, column B, row 1. This would be considered B5, column B, row 5. This FX stands for your formula bar. It shows you whatever is in the current cell address B1. Right now it's blank. FX stands for your formula bar. Another thing about working with the structure in Google Sheets or any spreadsheet app is you can control the width of your columns, and sometimes you have to, depending on how wide your data is. A lot of times it's going to be your column header that controls the size of your column width. What you do is you place your cursor on that vertical line. You get a double-arrowed cursor, and you drag either to the left or the right, depending on what size you need. If you have a lot of information, you want to be careful and not make your columns too big. You might need the space later in order to see things visually on the screen. You can also work with the height of your row. Your rows, again, are designated by the numbers on the left. And you click on that horizontal line and drag. Most of the time, though, you're working with the width of your column, depending on the file that you're working with.